Assalamu alaikum students, hope you are fine and well. According to today's lesson planner, we are going to start test and we will solve exercise A and B on page number 69 and 70 of workbook. Let's start from exercise A, unseen comprehension. 1. Study the advertisement below. Welcome to Junior Readers Club. Come and join our reading circle. We welcome new members. We meet once a month to discuss a book. Read it, think it, discuss it. Some books we are read and discussed so far. The Matrix Questions by R.U.C. Rees Jr. Barnaby on the Farm by G. Ortman. My Time in Mars by I.B. Leavitt. Bottlesam by C. Rushmore. Ragging Winds by S.T. Ormin. To join this reading club, please contact Lisa Little, 129 University Road, Newtown, 75540. Now let's move towards the question answers. Answer the following questions. A. What is the club called? Junior Readers Club. Its answer is Junior Readers Club. What is the purpose of the club? Its answer is its purpose is to provide a platform to the readers and discuss a book. Who is organizer of the club? Lisa Little. What is strange about the names in the reading list? The strange thing about the names is that when we read them, it feels as if they are some other words. For example, R.U.C. Rees. It feels as if it is Are You Serious? And G. Ortman. It feels as if it is Goatman. I.B. David. It feels as if it is I Believe It. And S.T. Ormin. It feels as Storming, etc. The last question is, have the advertisers taken enough care about their advertisement? Say how they have or have not done so. Look at the content, punctuation, grammar and spelling. Its answer is no, they have not taken care. There are many mistakes. There are spelling mistakes, grammatical and punctuation marks. Look at the advertisement. Here the spelling mistakes are junior and discuss. Their spellings are wrong. The correct spellings are Junior and the correct spellings are Discuss, discuss. And there is a grammatical mistake. Here it is written we are read. The correct sentence is we have read. And there is a punctuation mistake. The matrix questions. Here apostrophe has been put wrongly. Now let's solve exercise B, textbook quiz. Which characters are being described here? A. His heart was shaken with tears. This line is related to the poet from the poem Everyone Sang. B. He made a meal from a can with no label. It is about Behlul from the lesson Behlul. C. She gave someone a polished shield. It is about Athena from the lesson Perseus and the Gorgon. The next is she was tied to a rock in the sea. It is related to Andromeda from the lesson Perseus and the Gorgon. The next is he gave money to a beggar. It is related to Valentine Haughey from the lesson A Flash of Light. The last one is she had always wanted a pet. It is related to Sarah and the lesson is Karate Parrot. Let's move towards next exercise. Give complete answers to the following questions taken from your textbook. The first question is, why does Uncle Shams leave the Malik's house? Its answer is, he left the house because he heard the Malik talk against him. Next question is, in what way does the lady misunderstand Behlul? Its answer is, when he tells the lady that the chickens have died, she assumes they have died of food poisoning. The next is, in the story of Perseus, What two things does Polydectes demand from Perseus? Its answer is a horse and the head of Medusa. The last one is, what reasons did Samir give for not wanting to keep a cat or dog as a pet? Its answer is, he thought a flat was too small for a pet and it would be unfair to keep one there. And the last question is, make any three observations about the Braille alphabet. And its answer is, books in Braille are thick. Second one is, common words have one symbol. And the third one is, it consists of Braille dots on stiff paper. Now students, you have to solve these exercises on your workbook and you have to learn them. Thank you for listening. Allah Hafiz.